Hello and welcome to JW Solar USA. As this is the power I'm generating right now on a very, I'm not gonna say that much cloudy, and conditions are just favorable, not sunny, but it's kind of bright outside and it's cold outside, so at least we're making some power here, folks. We already generated 1.9 kilowatt hours on the system, and the Classic is doing its thing. And these are the numbers. We bring in 21 amps and 22 amps at 590, 600 watt from the solar panels. So this is really cool, and any power you can get, you gotta take it, because this is winter and this is how it's gonna be for the meantime till we fast approaching summer. So the batteries went to float, they were absorb, and now also went to float, and we're pulling some load a little bit, and which is giving us 1.9 kilowatt hours. Already putting back our 68 amp hours to the battery, and this is our VOC open circuit 91. These are the amps going back to the batteries. The other ones are feeding the loads. We're sitting at 100%. Alright folks, thanks for watching from the command center, JW Solar USA. Thanks for all your efforts, thanks for all the help, and thanks for the love and you guys giving me on my channel. I hope all is well with you guys. Take care for now. From Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now.